Hello everyone, let me introduce ourselves. We from group 2 of the English correspondence subject consisting of me, Muhammad Al-Ghifari, dan Muhammad Zaki Haris, dan Muhammad Maulana, and also Rafli Mamutakin. On this occasion, we will provide an explanation regarding letter style chapter, where in this chapter, we will discuss letter forms starting from full block style, semi-block style, indented block style, simplified style, and the last is hanging paragraph style. Okay, the first material in the letter style chapter is full block style. As can be seen in the following example of a full block letter, there is no indentation. Writing or typing all parts of the letter starts flat on the left side. Yang berarti dalam surat bentuk lurus penuh atau full block style tidak terdapat lekukan sama sekali. Penulisan atau pengetikan semua bagian surat dimulai rata pada bagian sisi kiri. Keuntungan dari penulisan atau pengetikan dengan menggunakan bentuk full block style ini adalah lebih mudah dan tidak banyak menyita waktu. Terlebih lagi jika volume pekerjaan surat menyurat di suatu kantor cukup banyak. Bentuk lurus penuh ini atau full block style adalah yang paling cocok digunakan. Untuk memberikan gambaran yang lebih jelas, di slide berikutnya saya akan menjabarkan susunan dari bagian-bagian surat yang terdapat pada jenis full block style. Okay, this is an example of a full block letter. The first is letterhead and reference line. After that is date and recipient address and salutation. After that is body of the letter, which consists of three parts. The first is opening, and then main body and closing. After that there is complementary clause, and the last is signature and enclosure.
Next is block style. The block style letter are a form of letter that place the strike part of the letter on the left. However, in this form, the arrangement of the parts of the letter is not completely strike. There are several parts of the letter are placed on the right side, but most of them are on the left side. Here is an example of a letter in a block style format. At the top of the letter, there is a letterhead, and on the left side of the letter, there is a reference line, address, and salutation. On the right side, there is a complementary clause and signature. On the right side, there is a complementary clause and signature. The next is semi-block style. The semi-block style is basically the same as the strike form. The only difference is in the typing of the paragraphs. Each paragraph is typed slightly indented, which is after 5 books from the left margin. Between one paragraph and another paragraph does not need to be spaced, and this half-strike form is now widely used in official letter by government agencies. Here is an example of a letter in semi-block style format. At the top of the letter, there is a letterhead. On the left side of the letter, there is a reference line, address, and salutation. On the right side, there is a complementary clause and signature. The body of letter is written with a left margin, but each paragraph starts with an indent of 5 space.
Okay, next, indented style. Indented style letters are not much different from semi-strike letters. The only difference is in the way the mailing address is typed. In a notch letter, writing or typing the destination address starts with 5 strokes for each line. The second line starts 5 bits from the start of the first line. The start of the third row starts 5 bits from the start of the second row, and so on. Indented letters are not very popular among the business world, apart from the less aesthetic shape. Typing also takes quite a lot of time. To provide a clear picture, curved form is a form of letter where the letter address has a line formation paragraph in the shape of a descending ladder. This curved shape visually has curved paragraph, so it doesn't look neat but looks structured, especially in the part of the letter where the paragraph formation looks like a door staircase. And next, simplified style. A simplified from letter simplified style is based on a strike from letter block style. The difference is that in this form there is no opening greeting, solution, and closing greeting complementary clause. The subject of the letter subject is typed in capital letters while the word subject is omitted. The signature line is typed 4 lines below the last line of the letter.
Next, hanging paragraph style. As the name implies, hanging paragraph from. Each paragraph is the from is indent hanging. This from letter only starts as paragraph from the left side of the letter, while the following lines are typed in line bit from the left side of the letter of the first letter of the paragraph. Sesuai dengan namanya, yaitu bentuk alinea menggantung. Setiap alinea pada bentuk ini memang menggantung. Surat bentuk ini hanya setiap alineanya saja yang dimulai dari sisi kiri surat, sedangkan baris-baris berikutnya diketik masuk lem hentakan dari sisi kiri surat atau huruf pertama alineanya. Meskipun penempatan bagian-bagian surat lain tidak berbeda dengan surat-surat yang lazim digunakan dalam dunia perdagangan, surat bentuk ini hampir tidak pernah digunakan dalam surat menyurat. Walaupun bentuk ini digunakan dalam iklan, tujuannya hanya semata-mata untuk menarik perhatiannya saja. Untuk memberikan gambaran yang lebih jelas, perhatikanlah bentuk surat berikut ini yang diketik dalam bentuk alinea menggantung.
Exercise 3. How to play? We will play one different type of games. You will arrange a letter that has been shuffled around and makes it into a proper form. Question: arrange the letter below into full block style. Yeah, the answer is a full block style letter is a formal letter writing format where all parts of the letter are aligned left aligned. The main characteristics are letterhead, sender's names and address date of the letter, destination address, name and address of the recipient, open solution, for example, dear Mr. or Miss, recipient's name, letter context, paragraph without index, all left aligned. Letter closing, a closing solution shock strangely followed by the sender's name and signature. Thank you for playing.